Huawei is just days away from launching the new Watch GT5 series on September 19, 2024. The Chinese tech giant will unveil the smart wearable shortly after it launched the groundbreaking Mate XT trifold smartphone. Freshly leaked details showcase the designs and reveal that the Watch GT5 will come in 41mm and 46mm sizes. Both models include a rotating crown and a secondary programmable button, as speculated previously. The 41mm version will have a 1.32-inch AMOLED screen, while the 46mm model will sport a 1.43-inch AMOLED display. Their battery life is expected to last up to 7 and 14 days. The leak also reveals that Huawei will include a health glance feature that offers quicker health assessments. Users can check over 10 indicators, including ECG, arterial stiffness, stress levels, and cardiovascular risks, all within 60 seconds. Pricing details for the Huawei Watch GT5 are still under wraps, but it's rumored to start at around €250. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.